So tell us, I've heard you talk about the first 100 days of sobriety. Why is 100 days important?
Because I was going to say anyone can do 30 days alcohol free, but I never did that.
Yeah, yeah,
But
yeah.
30 days isn't a good experiment because in 30 days, not everything can happen. I feel like it's really important for people to experience a night out, work drinks, a little bit of stress. What else? Just trying to navigate sobriety. I just feel like in 30 days, you don't get the full picture. Whereas 100 days, you do end up doing all the things that you would do whilst you were drinking. And
Mm,
100 days actually allows your body to reset. And then you will start to see the benefit. You'll start sleeping a lot better. You'll
yeah,
start the collagen as well. Your collagen basically resets. Like that's a massive one for the girls. Glowing
yeah, yeah,
skin. Your motivation comes back. You reset your dopamine. Um, you end up going on a lot more walks. You're learning a lot more. Your
mm,
immune system's a lot better. Gut health. Like there's so many things that you can benefit from when you do 100 days. And yeah, just for me doing 100 days, getting towards the 100 days was just like life changing. Like that's when
yeah,
everyone used to say to me, wow, you are glowing. You are
yeah,
absolutely glowing. Because I think that 30 days as well. And I imagine this because obviously I've not done 30 days before going alcohol free, but I can
yeah,
just imagine doing a 30 days where you are just counting the days off and ticking them off,
yes,
and then you just want to drink at the end. Whereas 100 days, obviously, it's a lot longer. You get to experience sobriety. And at the end, like, obviously, there's choice. If you want to go back drinking, you can. If you don't, you don't have to. Because I've got clients, and I've got some clients who have gone back to drinking, but they're really mindful of drinking. They hardly drink now. Whereas where I've got other girls who are nearly a year sober. There's girls who are 7 months sober, and I've got a girl who's 9 months sober as now, which is absolutely crazy.
yeah. I tend to think I do some work with those early in rehab as well. And you talk about the glow up journey. I think that there's physical changes, you can see in the eyes and the face and the skin, early and to about, 30 days, I find they are definitely looking more well. But
Mm.
then at that sort of 90, 100 days, which is what you base your program around, I see the emotional sobriety start to come through. And, I work in a 12-step program. So goal is abstinence. We are never picking up drugs and alcohol again. But it did take me a while. Like, I reckon it was probably 6 months, and that was when I then surrendered. I took ownership that I had a drinking problem early, but
Mm.
it was at 6 months that I surrendered that I can never pick up a drink again. For me, because if I pick up one, yes, my family might not see me till Sunday. There's a good chance they're going to fucking change the locks and I'm not going to be allowed back in. And then
Mm.
I'm completely untethered and I'm back into deep addiction and I'm hopeless and I've lost everything. So
Mm.
that's sort of the curve of how it works for me.
Yeah, no, definitely, definitely. And I think most people who do come to me do want to stop drinking forever. So that is most of the
Mm,
girls. But what I struggled with is, can I sell a program that says stop drinking ever again? Because then I was thinking the way I approached sobriety was just giving myself an experiment, because then it did take the pressure off.
yeah,
But
of
3 months
course.
into it, I was like, I am never drinking again. Why on earth
Yeah.
will I drink? Why would I put that poison in my body? Like, I have created this gorgeous life. Like, my life has had a glow up in every area. Like, why am I
Mm,
going to drink this drink that just ruins every part of my life? So yeah,
yeah.
it's crazy. But yeah, I'd say most girls do come to me, don't want to drink ever again.